Hi everyone! Welcome back to Cebu Elegant Properties YouTube channel. I am Christina Pantaleon, your licensed real estate broker and property home tour buddy today. Today is a very beautiful day, and speaking of beautiful, we will be featuring this beautiful masterpiece and work of art and newly built house and lot here in Labangon, Cebu City, which is very famous for the Siomai Tisa in Cebu. By the way guys, this property is strategically located in a location where we are very close to hospitals, schools, universities, malls like the biggest mall in Asia, which is SM Seaside Cebu. As we enter this property, by the way guys, this is a solid door. We can notice the wide foyer in this area. And going straight, by the way, this is the wine cellar, which is intended for your wines. By the way, these wines are already included in the sale. This is like a semi-furnished house and lot here in Labangon. This is your entertainment area. We already have a free air condition, and in this area is your dining area. This space here is very ideal for book lovers or for those who love to collect beautiful stuff. And this portion is for the stock room. This door here leads to the common toilet and bathroom here in the ground floor. This is just a disclaimer that we are putting newspapers for the fixed bathroom fixtures so that it won't be dirty. This door here leads to the service area. The service area is quite big for you to hang your clothes and do the laundry. And this is the most exciting part of the house. The beautiful modular kitchen area. This one is a bar. This is where you're gonna host some evening nights with your friends or buddies. And by the way, these closets are soft closed that even if you are sleeping inside your rooms, you won't notice that somebody is doing their stuff here in the kitchen because this is a soft closed closet. See? This door here leads to the guest room, and the guest room already has its own air conditioner. By the way, for on the ground floor, we have 3 air conditioners, one in the guest room, and then the other one in the dining room or the kitchen area, and the other one is in the living area. So we all have split type air conditioners here. We also have emergency lights in case we run out of electric lights. So let's go up to the second floor. So we are now in the stairway, and behind me is the wall decoration, which is very ideal for those who love to travel. You just have to put your collections here in the wall in the stairway. So we are now here on the second floor, and as you can notice that the ground floor is the ground floor has a high ceiling, which I think is around 25 feet high, where you can see your guests downstairs who are enjoying their meal. I know you are now very excited to see the bedroom area. So on the second floor, this is the bedroom area. And behind me is bedroom number 1. This is bedroom number 1. We already have this double deck, which is good for your kids, and the open cabinet. We already have also an AC here, split type. The next one is bedroom number 2. This is bedroom number 2. It's also quite wide and huge, which we can accommodate a queen or king size bed. We have a balcony here. This floor to ceiling sliding door leads to the balcony area. It also has its own walk-in closet, but because of privacy purposes, they put something here. We cannot go inside yet. Now let's go to the master bedroom. This is the master bedroom. The same with the bedroom number 2, the master bedroom also has a balcony, and it also has its own walk-in closet and its own bathtub. By the way, I can tell that we have 2 master bedrooms in this house. The other one is the bedroom number 2 and this one. So this is the walk-in closet here. And this is the master bedroom toilet and bathroom, which has its own bathtub. And by the way, we also have a hot and cold shower here. You might be wondering what these stairs are for. These stairs will lead us to the party area. So guys, let's go. I hope you like this property, and if you like, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button to get more updates. I am Christine.